Very pleased with the quality, and the price point was just outstanding.
The quality was great and the paint match perfect.
They made my experience very easy.
You get all the great customer service and they're saving you money.
At MBI Auto, we make your vehicle look new again. We're here to fix your dented, broken, scratched bumper, fender, or tailgate, saving you hundreds of dollars over a costly body shop, all while delivering your new parts straight to your door within just a few days. MBI Auto offers the largest bumper selection of anyone, anywhere, from aftermarket, direct replacement, chrome, unpainted, and painted to match. Chances are, if anyone has the bumper for your vehicle, it's going to be us. Our customer service team is based here in Michigan. We are available to answer your questions, help you find the correct part, or even help you find your specific paint code. Speak Spanish? No problem. Se habla español. If there's a problem, we'll fix it. Rest assured, we won't rest until you're happy. You can tackle this project yourself, often while paying less than the cost of a typical deductible. Only hand tools and minimal DIY experience is necessary. We ship out thousands of bumpers and tailgates each week, saving each of our customers hundreds of dollars.
The bumper and tailgate that I have ordered were a perfect match. I could not tell the difference. And I had the new parts on in no time.
The customer service, they really helped me in Spanish.
If I ever need anything else for my car in the future, I would definitely choose MBI again.
Low prices, great service, good people. They're easy to recommend.
MBI Auto, where quality painted bumpers meet trustworthy service.